Hi guys, now let's solve some questions, on addition and subtraction of logarithm. Now I want you to realize something before, I stop this video. Now when logarithm of the same base are added, the result is the product of the two logarithms to their common base. For instance, now I have something of this nature. Now this is log 4 to the base of 10 plus log 25 to the base of 10. So in this case, I'm factoring out a single log to the base 10. Then I have it to the 4 multiplied by 25. Okay, now this becomes log 10 4 times 25 is 100. Okay, log 100 to the base of 10. So now this 400 can be written in this form as log 10 to the base of 2. Okay, now as explained in my earlier video, that we have what to call logarithm of power law. Now according to the logarithm of power law, this 2 here has the right to come back here. Okay, so in the next step now we have it to be 2 log 10 to the base of 10. So now remember the logarithm of its own base. Logarithm to its own base is taken as what? As 1. And log 10 base 10 is what? 1. So therefore we're having 2 multiplied by 1. And final answer to this question is just 2. Is that taken? So now guys, here I have log 28 to the base 4 minus log 14 to the base of 4. We have the same base, right? So in this case I have the right to factor a single base out in this format. So remember from our early video, so this becomes 28 divided by 14 in this format. Okay, so here guys I will be having log the base of 4, 28 divided by 14, definitely is 2. Okay, so how do I get this sum now? I want to apply logarithm of base power to solve this question. Okay, now this base here is 4 and this is 2. So how do we solve this now guys? Now let's see what we're going to do here. This is log 2 to the base of 4, but I want this 4 to be in form of 2. So this becomes 2 raised to the power of 2. Then I have 2 here, because 2 power 2 is what? Is 4. Okay, alright guys, now what next? Now I am looking for a way to remove this 2 from here. Alright, so in this case now, how do I pull out that 2 out? We're going to apply what we call the power of base. Okay, so according to the laws of indices, a law called the power of base, whenever we have an integer here, as the power of base, when it comes back to become a fraction. So this 2 becomes 1 divided by 2, then log 2 to the base of 2, and log 2 base 2 is 1. 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 is 1 divided by what? By 2. Okay, alright guys, so thank you.